ride, so we get in a caravan. What's your name, girl?
Hadie.
And what are we doing today?
We're skydiving.
I know, I just said it in my song. Here we go, we're going skydiving. It was really good, wasn't it?
Yes.
Are you nervous?
Yes.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Which one are you more of?
Nervous.
Yeah, I figured with your pace. You're pacing like this, which tells me you're very nervous. It's gonna be a blast. It's gonna be cold, but it's gonna be a blast. All right, anything you're looking forward to the most that you think is gonna be the best part?
Probably to get down.
Safe and sound. Awesome, girl. Is there anything you want to say to your friends and family at home before we get going? Hey. Hey. All right, have a lot of fun. No more jokes. All serious stuff. Skydive serious business. We're about to go do it. We're gonna tear it up. Here we go, guys. Woo, 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 woo. Have a lot of fun. I'll see you at the plane. People do.
On this car. Couldn't break your heart. Is it really love? Can't tear you apart. Is it really love? Couldn't break your heart. Is it really love? Can't tear you apart. Is it really love? Couldn't break your heart. Is it really love? Can't tear you apart. Is it really love? Couldn't break your heart. Is it really love? Can't tear you apart. Is it really love? Couldn't break your heart. Is it really love? Can't tear you apart. Is it really love? Couldn't break your heart. Is it really love? Can't tear you apart. Is it really love?
Whoa! Here she comes. Watch out, boys. She'll chew you up. Oh! Oh! What do you think, girl? Was it fun? Did you have fun? I had fun too. Nice job. Way to go. Pine killed it as always, brother. Always a pleasure. Let me get a picture of the two of you. Smile real big. 1, 2, 3. Way to go, girl. Thanks for choosing Skydive DeLand.